gonna smoke me a fatted brisket.
Welcome to BBQ.PitBoys.com. It's Friday night, pizza night, so we're grilling up some pepperoni pizza meatloaf. And you gotta check this out. That's what I said, a pepperoni pizza meatloaf. We have here about 4 pounds of ground beef, right? You want to use maybe a ground chuck. It has to have an adequate fat content of 15 to 20% to make this work, right? Too lean, it won't work. So, first thing you got to do is turn it into a pizza, right? So you smash it, you shape it, you get it down to about maybe a ½ inch, 3/4 inch thick, just like that. Perfect. Looks like a pizza, right? But no dough required. Now you want to season the ground beef. So we're using some of our SPG. Use some salt and pepper or what seasoning you like, but at least season the meat pizza. Now, we got to fry up some veggies to keep the Vegematics happy. So just like any pizza, you get the toppings you want. So we happen to like some green bell peppers on ours, right? Here we've got the pepperoni. And we want to fry that up a bit. Oh, yeah, and you know what happens when you fry up pepperoni, right? Look at that. Now hit it with some onions. You do it the way you like, right? Just like your favorite pizza. If you just want to do nothing but pepperoni, go ahead, right? If you want to do just mushrooms, go ahead. Now here we've got some minced garlic. Always got to get the garlic in there. So those were your meat pizza toppings. Now, here we've got some shredded mozzarella. We're going to spread it on first. And then we got some grated Parmesan. You know how to make a pizza, right? Now we're going to add a little pizza sauce. Use your favorite pizza sauce. And then all your toppings. Remember, the Pizza House, they charge you what? Another $2.50 a topping or whatever like that. Now, you do this home, it's real cheap. All right. Add some more fresh Parmesan, grated Parmesan. And here's something we like to do, too. We want to add a little bit of beer, right? It's the pit. And the beer is going to add a little moisture. So we're going to do that by taking some white bread and cubing it. Some fresh white bread, right? I mean, you've seen this done in meatloaf in a different way. They'll soak it in milk or something. But anyway, we're just going to add a bit of moisture for the cook like that. So we'll get that beer-saturated bread in there. Squeeze it up pretty good. It'll melt as it cooks. Now, here's the roll part. Yeah, you start rolling it. Man, I think you see where we're going with this, right? Now, it's best to do this when the ground beef is warm, right? It'll be less likely to pull apart on you. So take your time. You've seen us do this before. We've got a couple videos of this type of technique. Okay? Just shape it. Seal the sides. Any cracks or openings. Perfect. Now, we're going to have the bacon on the meatloaf. Right? Bacon. Pepperoni meatloaf. So we'll drape it with some pound bacon, some pork belly bacon. Do that, and we'll just put it on a baking sheet. Just like that, right? Tighten it up again, the bacon. Now as the bacon cooks, it will slowly adhere to this meatloaf. It'll keep everything together. It'll be perfect for Thanksgiving dinner, right? I mean, wouldn't you rather have this than turkey at Thanksgiving? I mean, seriously. Now, we've got some more shredded mozzarella cheese. Nice. And off to the grill. Now, we've set up the charcoal on one side of this kettle grill for indirect heating. We don't want to fry it, cook it indirect. Got about maybe 325, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It won't take long, right? About halfway through your cook, you might have to flip it around to get some even cooking, right? Now, if you do this in your kitchen oven or your wood-fired oven, you won't have to flip it, right? Perfect. Not long to go. And in the miracle of time, woo, this pepperoni pizza meatloaf is done. Take it off the grill. Oh, man. Lord have mercy. You're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. All right. Now, of course, you want to see this part. So we'll take a slice right down the middle. See what we got. Go faster, will you? Oh, take a look at that. Man. Meatloaf. So you can set this up any way you want. Put it on a fancy-ass plate with all the fixings and the sides, and you can just eat it like that. It's a pizza. You got everything you need, right? The meat, the veggies. Oh, you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, well, you're on the wrong damn channel. Now, this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat it in front of you, and trust me, we are not apologizing. So now head on over to our website to get the exact recipe. And when you're there, join a chapter or start your own. We'd be proud to have you. Oh. And of course, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.